it is cold, so I'm gonna make this a quick video. I'm changing out the headlight housings on my wife's 07 Expedition. Yes, made in China. It's cheap, but it looks pretty cool, so we're gonna go ahead and install those. And just a small little update about the Android radio. She loves it. She's still happy with it, and you know, it's only been a couple days, but yeah, I mean, it looks good. She said it looks like it should have come from the factory like this, so I guess I did something right. But yeah, right now we're just gonna throw on these new headlight housings, and we'll see how that turns out. So be right back. Alright guys, there it is. This side was a little difficult to put on, but it went on without a cinch. This side, on the other hand, got damaged in the mail. Of course, it was USPS, or no, UPS. But as you can see, it's moving a little bit, and I'll show you the little piece that broke. It's that part right there. See, it goes into there, but what I'm probably going to do is just glue it back on. It's not that big of a deal. I'm not sitting here waiting for days on end for one to get sent back and another one to come back in. But yeah, it looks good. Looks like a whole new front end now. So, thanks for watching.